Today I am going to show you the how to host a website on the server. That is, we are going to host a website on the render. This is the render website where we are going to deploy our website on the server. So I am going to create in the Django applications. So we create Django applications and then deploy to the render server. Let's go. In the file manager deployment folder, I am going to open cmd and activating my environment for the Django. So conda users, just type conda activate or name of the environment that you want to activate. So I am going to activate Django. So here my environment is activated. So I have to create the project. So for project creation I have to write command django admin start project. Let's name it website. Here our project is created in the file folder, so we are going to open with VS Code. So to set up the environment, just type Python. We are going to set up Django environment. Let's do. So to run this, just Ctrl Z for shortcut terminal in the VS Code. Activate Django environment. Just run the Python manage So our website is currently running in the debug mode. So now we have to start this website. So change the code and create an app. So here we are going to create a Python manage.py start app. App is nothing but just module or main. So here is the folder is created main in the website folder. All the settings of the web application are stored in the settings.py. Let's zoom. All the settings, that is the debug to allow those. At the time of development we are going to here type allowed host. So installation app, that we are creating app we are including here, like as we are main folder, so we include here. Database, here we are connected database in MySQL, no MongoDB, other data types, but here is the default DB SQLite 3 is created, so it does not require any extra software. So here going authentication, static URL, here is the for statics file. Just I am going to explain you after some time. So here we have to first url.py create. So we have to include the main app that is the we created. So we are going to type here just so Django will include all these 5 of the main this folder files into the server when website is going to deploy. Just define in the URL, define main request return. So from the django.http import http response. So we are going to response http response hello viewers. So our website is in the debug mode. So we are going to load again. In the views file we create views, so we have to register these views in the URL file. So from django.urls import path like as from URLs pattern. URLs pattern. In this we are going to explain that on which URL which view is going to executed. So at the simple we are going to call from.views import main. We are going to type main. Otherwise we can change that so we have to type vs.main. So but we are going to refresh. This page is on default. So here we are created the view for the pages, but that is not shows here. So we have to include this app in the URLs folder. In the setting.py we have include the app, install app main. So admin auth. These are the default come with the Django session messaging app. So we have created main app, so we include here, but we also include in the URL files. So in include import include, so explain path. So include include include. So here we are going to type main.urls. So in the deployment, its website is automatically runs. So now in the hello viewers, so let's type in the loads. So just create an template folder in which we are going to explain the in the template folder /main is the app name, so we are going to create main name, and inside that we are creating main.html. In the HTML folder, we are going to explain. This is the default Django HTML. So HTML. HTML5, we have to give the title, that is the server, demo server. So here we are going to type viewers at the H1. In the paragraph we type anything. So you are going to deploy website in server. After this tutorial, so here we create main.html file. We have to include in the views here. So we have to just create and type render response request. On the request, that should return. Which should return? We have to give the name main/main.html. Our deployment server is again started after the changes. So we are going to reload. So here our web page is loaded. Hello viewers, title is changed. Also means we are going to deploy website on the server after this tutorial. So that is the basic we created. We are going to deploy on the server. After that, one method is I am going to show you. In this, we are going to freeze the migration for the data service. Python manage dat.py migrations migrate. After the migration, we have to upload this code into the GitHub. Before GitHub, we have to install all the requirements that we are going to require. So pip freeze requirement .txt. So here is the requirement.txt file is created. In my Django environment, all these modules are installed. Extra is unicorn or white noise. White noise is used for static file survey, and unicorn is the server we are going to deploy with the unicorn. So after we have to create an account on GitHub. So we are going to sign up. So we have to type the mail. Just sign in. I think we are going to create an account. So I just created new account. Continue. Create password and create. Learn. Continue. So we have to pick one square that had two identical objects. For verification we have to verify the mail. Just here we are going to verify. So this is the code. Creating an account on the render also. So we are going to sign in with GitHub. So one mail is also come from the render. So we have to activate from here account. After the account activation, email is verified. So we are going to create web service, connect with. So here we are going to create new repository. That's name is the. We are going to website, create, upload all these files. So we are going to upload. So just drag and drop. We are going to done. So sorry. So all these are going to upload now. So we have to commit after this. So we are going to connect all these repositories. Demo. After the demo, we have to write all this website.vcj. So just give this space. Python 3. So all this requirement. Add once, add variables. So Python version 3.11.4, I think we are currently running. So all these variables are going to run. The requirement.txt. So deployment is going automatically by the render. So our website is available on this URL. Is the bad gateway. So all these are going to done, installing all the requirements. So uploading build. So our website is going to build now. After that I am going to, our website is deployed, so we can refresh this. You may need to add to allowed host, so we are not to add in the settings. So we add website settings.py. We are going to edit this file. We are going to allow the host here. So we are going to add false. After that we change. Our website is live, but when we change in the Git repository, it automatically reflects in this. So we have to update it in this, but there is no reflect in this scroll. So updated, start deployment started for the our update settings.py. So after that update settings.py, we have to write to access all these files. But like as here is the written get dot bad request loud host. Now we can get access. Here we are going to access. So everyone not should perfect. So you have to learn from the debugging how we are going to debug, how we are problem to solve. So here we are going to load just static files. So on next deployment I am going to show you that static files we are going to add in this HTML page like as image and other, because Django does not serve static file directly. So we have to specify to the server that are the static files we are going to serve.